I see Oppenheimer.
Viewers saw a lot of Oppenheimer, which led the way at the 96th Academy Awards, winning 7 Oscars, including Best Picture and Best Director for Christopher Nolan.
Movies are just a little bit over 100 years old. I mean, imagine being there 100 years into painting or theater. We don't know where this incredible journey is going from here, but to know that you think that I'm a meaningful part of it means the world to me.
Robert Downey Jr.!
Oppenheimer's first win of the night went to Robert Downey Jr. for Best Supporting Actor.
I'd like to thank my terrible childhood and the Academy, in that order.
Cillian Murphy.
Like Nolan and Downey, Cillian Murphy won his first Oscar ever, taking Best Actor. The awards for Best Cinematography, Film Editing, and Original Score also went to the drama about the man who led the effort to create the atomic bomb.
For better or for worse, we're all living in Oppenheimer's world, so I would really like to dedicate this to the peacemakers everywhere.
Calls for peace also came from Jonathan Glazer, whose Holocaust drama The Zone of Interest won Best International Feature and Best Sound.
Our film shows where dehumanization leads at its worst. It shaped all of our past and present. Whether the victims of October the 7th in Israel or the ongoing attack on Gaza, all are victims of this dehumanization.
And from Mstislav Chernov, whose 20 Days in Mariupol about the Russian invasion of Ukraine won Best Documentary Feature Film.
I wish to be able to exchange this to Russia never attacking Ukraine, never occupying our cities.
Something I wait for.
Billi Eilish and Phineas O'Connell earned Barbie's only award, winning Best Original Song for What Was I Made For, making them the youngest 2-time Oscar winners ever.
Divine.
An understandably emotional Da'Vine Joy Randolph tearfully accepted Best Supporting Actress for her role in The Holdovers.
For so long, I've always wanted to be different. And now I realize I just need to be myself. And I thank you.
Emma Stone.
And a stunned Emma Stone collected her second Best Actress Oscar for Poor Things, the night's second biggest winner, also taking costume design, makeup and hairstyling, and production design.
It's not about me. It's about a team that came together to make something greater than the sum of its parts.